Okay, welcome to my next video on Lightroom 4 Beta next part. Now this time we'll be talking about another new module in Lightroom 4, the book module. So I've got some images here that I've copied earlier, imported in the previous video. I'm going to jump into the book module here. Okay, I'm going to open the book module. I'm going to select all these images that I've got here. Okay, so I've got all of them selected. On the left hand side I've got a preview, okay, and the collections. We'll get back to export book to PDF in just a moment. Now on the right hand side we've got the book settings. So first of all, you've got a book, you can use either blurb or PDF. In this case I'm going to use the PDF as an example. Then you've got a size, so you can have a couple of different sizes here, some common sizes for photo books. In this case I'm going to use a standard landscape, oops, alright, 10 by 8 inch. Okay, then we've got a cover, hard cover, soft cover, or no cover. Hard cover image wrap will be just fine. Okay, JPEG quality I'm going to increase that to maximum. Color profile, sRGB, Adobe RGB, and preferred RGB, so it depends where you're going to print it. I'm going to leave it on sRGB for now. If I were to print on one of the high street photo labs, at least in the UK, they would use sRGB color mode for printing. Just check it with your printer. File resolution 300, that's the standard resolution for print. Sharpening, okay, standard low and high. I'm going to leave it on standard. Media type, glossy or matte. I'll leave it on glossy, very common for photo books. Okay. You've got a preview here. Just before we move to the next section, you've got a preview here in the center, so you can see what it looks like. Okay. Right. Now I'm just going to maybe make a change. I'm going to take one of the oranges and I'll drop it here on the front cover. Okay. Okay. And maybe that one here on the back cover. Okay. So you can just drag and drop the images on the pages. In here I'll leave that looks fine. I can click on the image and then zoom very easily and nicely. I'll zoom in like that. Okay, I've got it here, next image. I'll zoom in a bit here. Okay, that looks good. Scroll down. I will leave the pages here. That one needs some zooming. Okay, in here I'll just fill the pages with images, and just one more. I'll zoom in, maybe reposition the image just a bit, like that. Okay, now back to the right hand side here, to the panel on the right hand side. The next section is the auto layout. Okay, so preset, the one I'm using is left blank and right one photo. You can also use captions here as well, so you can choose that here and have captions for the images. Auto layout, now we've got a page section. We can add additional pages. At the moment I've got 21 pages in total in here. Okay, just zoom in that one as well and move it. Yeah, okay. Then you've got a guide, self-explanatory cell, so you can add some padding to the cell if you want to create a white frame around the image. I'm going to leave it on 0 for now. And then we've got a caption, so the photo caption. We can add a photo caption here, so we can check that. And then set offset, and you can have it either above, over, or below the caption here. There's also written here, so you can have a title or the caption. Okay, here. So I could type something here like orange, in here. Right? I can offset it. I'm going to keep it near the bottom of the image. Okay, that's the text, that's the offset. I'll scroll down, got a page caption and then a type. So I'm going to increase the size a bit. Okay, so it's bigger. You can choose any font you have on your system. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is in here. Then you can change the alignment, so loads of options in here. And then we come to the background setting here. we can apply a background globally to all the pages. Okay. In this case, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'll keep the background white because we're going to print it. And finally, we can export the book to PDF. So I'll click on it to export the book to PDF. I'll call it book, or let's do photo book. I'll export it to the desktop. I'll click save. Okay, and now Lightroom is rendering and exporting all the pages to PDF book. Okay, it's rendering. It's rendering the pages. It may take just a moment. Okay. And in just a moment you're going to see that the message is gone from here, so the PDF has been created, and you can find it where you saved it. I've saved it here. I've got one PDF, or let me just show you in the Finder. I've got one document here called photobook.pdf, another one called photobook cover. Two PDF documents for the book, for the inside of the book and for the cover. And that's how you create photo books using the new book module in Lightroom 4. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Marek Mularczyk from saitraining.co.uk, one of the UK's leading specialists in Adobe Certified Training. For more details, go to my website saitraining.co.uk, or go to my blog photoshoplightroombridge.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye bye.